Welcome to Rust by Examples, Lesson 6. Today we're adding file persistence to our to-do list. Your tasks will be saved and remembered between runs. Let's create our to-do app project. Cargo new creates the project structure. The default main function prints Hello World. Cargo run compiles and runs our program. Now let's add our modules. In Rust, we organize code into modules. Each file can be a module with mod file name. We'll create todo.rs and storage.rs. First, we add our to-do module. We copy the to-do struct from Lesson 5. The file contains our todo and todo list structs. Notice the pub keyword makes items public. To-do list has methods for add, list, complete, and delete. We already covered these in the previous lesson. Now let's create the storage module. The storage module handles file I/O. We'll use stdfs for reading and writing files. A simple text format stores our to-dos. Now we create storage.rs in NVIM. First, disable auto-indent for clean formatting. We import stdfs for file operations and import to-do and to-do list from our to-do module. The file path constant defines where we save. The save function takes a reference to to-do list. We build a content string with the next id first. Then loop through todos, formatting each as a line. The pipe character separates id, status, and title. fswrite saves the content to our file. Expect handles errors by panicking with a message. Now the load function returns a to-do list. fsread to string reads the entire file. Match handles the result, OK for success, error for failure. If the file doesn't exist, we return an empty list. We parse the first line as nexted, then loop through remaining lines, parsing each to-do. Split by pipe, check we have 3 parts, and build the to-do. Finally, return the reconstructed to-do list. Save and quit. Let's see the file we created. Now we update main.rs to use our modules. First, we disable auto-indent in NVIM. Delete all content with ggdg. Mod to-do and mod storage declare our modules. We import I/O for reading user input. In main, we call storage load to get saved todos. The loop shows our menu options. Print and flush ensures the prompt displays. We read user input with stdin readline. Match handles each menu choice. Option 1 adds a new task. We read the task title and call list add. Then storage save persists the change. Option 2 just lists without saving. Option 3 marks a task complete. We parse the ID and call complete. Option 4 deletes a task. Option 5 quits with a goodbye message. The underscore catches invalid input. Save and quit. Cargo build confirms it compiles. Let's demo persistence in action. We run the app and add our first task. Learn file I/O in Rust added with ID 1. Adding a second task, build persistent apps. List shows both tasks with checkboxes. Let's complete task 1. The X mark shows it's done. Quit the app. Let's check todos.txt. The file stores next id, then each task on a line. Now restart the app. This is the key test. List shows our tasks are still there. File persistence works perfectly. Great work! Let's recap what you learned. Modules organize code into separate files. STDFS provides file read and write functions. Mash handles success and error results. Thanks for watching Lesson 6. Next up, we'll parse JSON configuration files. Like and subscribe for more Rust tutorials.